Okay, so if I just cut to the chase, basically I have a game on my computer. It's done, it's packaged. I worked on it for months and months, and it's good. You know, like it's a fun game. I've tested it with friends and family, and they like really positive feedback. You know, but my problem is that I don't know how to market it. I don't know how to market games. I don't know much about gaming culture, where people go to look for games, or any of that. And so I'm sort of just stuck in this situation where I've got this game on my computer and I've got no idea what the fuck to do with it. So what I'm making this video for is basically I'm just asking for any sort of advice, any sort of information, anybody who knows or can do anything that'll help me get this game to the people who would enjoy it and who would appreciate it. And I'm not even concerned with money. Like, making money from it would be fucking fantastic, but at the end of the day, the top priority and the thing that I want most is just to have this game that's sitting on my computer that I've worked really hard on, and have it get to the people that it's meant to get to, because I've got no idea how to do that. So if you've got any thoughts on this, please drop me a comment. Please get in touch with me. My email address is jacksonnexhip@gmail.com, and I can put that in the description as well. But I need ideas. I need some sort of plan, because I don't really know what the fuck to do. So if that's something that you can help with, please get in touch with me. And also, if you want to play the game as well, there's a Dropbox link in the description too. I'm not going to do any more development on it, but there's a survey in there as well. If you do play through it, I'd be curious to see what you thought about it, the things that you liked, and what you'd like to see more of in the next games, because I am actively developing new games. So that's down there. If you want to give it a shot, it'll take you probably about 6 hours to play through, and you know it's pretty intense. It's pretty intense. It gives off Zelda vibes, you know, puzzles and monsters and combat and action and adventure. Yeah, so thanks for listening, guys. If you think you can help me with any of this, you know, marketing games and getting them to the people who would appreciate them, then that help would be much appreciated. So thank you, and I'll see you soon with some new tutorials and things, hopefully. I don't know what I'm going to work on next, so we'll just wait and see. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys.